Hi, my name is Jamaica and I have been doing YouTube since I was 11 years old, and I'm kinda like you actually. I struggled a lot with YouTube, not knowing why that video that I spent a lot of hours and days working on doesn't get as much views as I thought it was going to get. So for the past 2 years I have been actively studying the YouTube algorithm and the psychology behind making YouTube videos, and in this course I will tell you how to go viral on YouTube. 24 months ago, I had an idea for a video. An idea that I actually thought was going to go viral. It basically checked all the boxes for me. So, I decided to spend the entire week working on that video. And it was amazing. I would be so excited jumping off of my chair because I couldn't wait to share it with my audience. And I finally finished it. I uploaded it, then I hit publish. And I kept refreshing the page. I just kept refreshing. I knew that those numbers were much lower than my normal average, and there were pretty much no positive comments, even though it was basically the best that I can offer. It was heartbreaking. I kept asking myself questions like, why didn't they like it? Why are the views so low? Maybe YouTube is just biased to big YouTubers. Maybe YouTube is just oversaturated. Maybe I was never meant to be a YouTuber. Maybe I'm just boring. Maybe it's me. Just me. I told you that story so that you can feel emotionally connected to me. You feel like you know me on a personal level. You might have even remembered a situation where you had the same issue and felt the same way. You are hooked to watch this course, and this was one of the 4 aspects that we will be getting into in this course. I can tell you one thing, I wish I had this course when I was younger. It would have helped a lot. It would have prevented a lot of mistakes for me. This course is basically going to rewire your brain. YouTube analytics are great. You know, you can do a lot with YouTube analytics, but they can only get you so far if you don't know the actual psychology behind actually understanding YouTube. And after this course, you will know how to come up with viral YouTube ideas. You will find out why some of your old videos didn't get as much views as you thought they were going to get. Everything about YouTube will make sense after this course. This course is going to make something click for you. So, enjoy, have fun, and I will see you in the next lesson.